Hello guys, good morning, and this is Janice again. Today is December 26 and we are heading to Oman for a short vacation by car. And I would like to share with you our experience on getting a visa on arrival and the documents that we carry with us and the cost during the travel. So first, we had exited we had exited Hatta border, and then we had paid 35.90 fils dirhams, okay, per person. And then they also accept credit card payment. And as soon as we exited the Hatta border, just like 5 to 10 minutes drive, you will reach to the Oman immigration, where you have to apply your visa on arrival. So there, for the visa arrival, it will cost you 5 Omani Riyal. That means it is a 50 dirhams, equivalent of 50 dirhams. 5 Omani Riyal into 50 dirhams per person. And for Indians, UAE expat Indians they are free, they have free visa, so they didn't have to pay anything. So they have 14 days free visa. But since my daughter and I are Philippine holder passport, so we had paid 5 Omani Riyal, which is 50 dirhams per person. And the requirements for getting the e-arrival visa are your Emirates ID, your passport, your hotel bookings, and how many days you will stay in Oman, and your car insurance. They haven't asked us for the orange insurance. And after that, they will also, before getting into the gate going to Oman, there are some police. One by one, they will inspect your car. There's something that they're not allowed to carry, not to Oman, maybe some alcohols, I'm not sure, but they will do inspection. And then if you have some luggage with you, they'll also do the scanning as well. So you have to go go inside the office and they'll do the scanning. What I could advise to you guys is better to get a visa online. Less hassle, less headache. Until then, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!